Refresher PSCRB exit exam questions and answers. Question. Which position is shown by EPIRB? A. Position of the distress. B. Position of the ship. C. Real-time position. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Real-time position. Question. The shelf life of a pyrotechnique is A. 48 months. B. 3 years. C. 5 years. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. 48 months. What is the purpose of sea anchor? A. To reduce drift. B. To drop anchor. C. To attach to the ship's side. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. To reduce drift. Question. Body loses its heat times faster when immersed in cold water. A. 10. B. 26. C. 20. D. 36. Correct answer is B. 26. Question. The ship's training manual must contain instruction and information on the life-saving appliances carried on board. Which of these duties must also be included? A. Correct use of oars and sails for survival craft. B. Correct use of communication equipment. C. Correct donning of life jackets. D. Correct donning of protective clothing. Correct answer is C. Correct donning of life jackets. Question. What is the purpose of the hydrostatic interlock in the keel of an enclosed lifeboat? A. Prevent sea water entering to the lifeboat. B. Supplies cooling water to the lifeboat engine. C. It prevents release of the hooks until such time that the keel of the boat is underwater. D. It indicates the loaded weight of the boat and prevents overloading. Correct answer is C. It prevents release of the hooks until such time that the keel of the boat is underwater. Question. Which of the following requirement for immersion suit is correct? A. Donned in 2 minutes. B. Allow the wearer to jump from 4.5 meters. C. Allow the wearer to climb down a vertical ladder of 5 meters. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. Luminous intensity of rocket parachute should not be less than A. 15,000 candela. B. 500 candela. C. 30,000 candela. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. 30,000 candela. Question. Life jacket light shall have a source of energy capable of providing luminous intensity for a period of A. 0.50 candela per 8 hours. B. 0.75 candela per 8 hours. C. 0.75 candela per 6 hours. D. 0.50 candela per 6 hours. Correct answer is B. 0.75 candela per 8 hours. Question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the buoyant smoke signal doesn't respond to present regulation? The buoyant smoke signal shall A. Emit smoke for at least 3 minutes when floating in calm water. B. Continue to emit smoke when submerged in water image. C. Not be swamped in a seaway. D. Give a bright red during the inter-emission time. Correct answer is D. Give a bright red during the inter-emission time. Question. The working duration of man overboard smoke signal is A. 3 minutes. B. 5 minutes. C. 15 minutes. D. 10 minutes. Correct answer is C. 15 minutes. Question. What is the bowsing tackles as fitted on some lifeboats used for? A. To secure bow of the lifeboat to the main deck bollards. B. To hold the lifeboat close to the embarkation deck. C. A stretcher for safe embarkation of injured persons. D. To hold the lifeboat alongside the ship after launching. Correct answer is B. To hold the lifeboat close to the embarkation deck. Question. Before lifting a lifeboat from the water, it must be ensured that A. Sea anchor is steamed. B. Engine ID going astern. C. Bottom plug is shipped tight. D. Fall wires are clear and hooked securely. Correct answer is D. Fall wires are clear and hooked securely. Question. Which of the listed requirements do not correspond to the present regulation regarding weak link? Weak link shall A. Be of sufficient strength to permit inflation of the life raft. B. Release the life raft at a depth of not more than 4 meters. C. Not break by force required to pull the painter from the life raft container. D. Break under a strain of approximate 2.2 knots. Correct answer is C. Not break by force required to pull the painter from the life raft container. Question. What is the minimum number of crew required in rescue boat? A. 2 persons. B. 3 persons. C. 5 persons. D. 4 persons. Correct answer is C. 5 persons. Question. Which of the listed requirements do not correspond to present regulations? The life raft shall have A. A manually controlled lamp visible of at least 2 miles fitted at the top of the canopy. B. Full entrances fitted with rigid boarding ramps for boarding the life raft at sea. C. Floor preventing the ingress of water. D. Manually controlled lamp fitted inside the life raft. Correct answer is D. Manually controlled lamp fitted inside the life raft. Question. SART is the Search and Rescue Radar Transponder. How is this device activated? A. It has to be switched on by the master when the order to abandon ship is given. B. It has to be thrown into the sea where it will self-activate. C. It will be activated by the nearest coast station. D. It is carried into the survival craft and switched on by the occupants. Correct answer is D. It is carried into the survival craft and switched on by the occupants. Question. The minimum length of lifeboat should be A. 7.3 meters. B. 8.5 meters. C. 3.8 meters. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. 7.3 meters. Question. The shelf life of EPIRB battery is A. 1 year. B. 3 to 5 years. C. 5 years. D. 10 years. Correct answer is B. 3 to 5 years. Question. VHF EPIRB is designed to be used in which area? A. Area A1. B. The area A1, A2. C. The area A4. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Area A1. Question. When floating, a life raft must be able to withstand repeated jumps onto it, both with and without the canopy erected, from a height above its floor of at least A. 18 meters. B. 10 meters. C. 4.5 meters. D. 20 meters. Correct answer is C. 4.5 meters. Question. Which equipment of the following Solas Pack B life raft does not have? A. Fishing tackle plus food plus drinking water. B. Fishing tackle plus drinking water plus bailer. C. Fishing tackle plus sea-sig bags plus drinking water. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Fishing tackle plus food plus drinking water. Question. As for regulations, a cargo ship of length less than 100 meters should have life buoys. A. 10. B. 8. C. 12. D. 14. Correct answer is B. 8. Question. In cargo vessel, what is the requirement of child life jacket? A. 15%. B. 10%. C. 20%. D. 25%. Correct answer is B. 10%. Question. Lifeboat should have A. 2 buoyant rescue quoits attached not less than 30 m buoyant line. B. 2 buoyant rescue quoits attached not less than 15 m buoyant line. C. 1 buoyant rescue quoits attached not less than 30 m buoyant line. D. 1 buoyant rescue quoits attached not less than 15 m buoyant line. Correct answer is A. 2 buoyant rescue quoits attached not less than 30 m buoyant line. Question. How many hand flares should each life raft normally carry? A. 2. B. 6. C. 4. D. 10. Correct answer is B. 6. Question. Which of the following regarding immersion suit is true? A. It's zipped to be greased using manufacturer-recommended lubricants. B. It's fireproof. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. It's zipped to be greased using manufacturer-recommended lubricants. Question. The lamp on the top of a life raft canopy must operate continuously or flash at the specified rate for at least A. 8 hours, B. 2 hours, C. 12 hours, D. 4 hours. Correct answer is C. 12 hours. Question. How long will a parachute flare burn after it has been fired into the air? A. A minimum of 5 minutes, B. A minimum of 2 minutes, C. A minimum of 30 seconds, D. A minimum of 40 seconds. Correct answer is D. A minimum of 40 seconds. Question. The liquid in the wet card compass is a mixture of A. Distilled water and pure ethyl alcohol, B. Distilled water and isopropyl alcohol, C. Distilled water and methyl alcohol, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Distilled water and pure ethyl alcohol. Question. The number of lifebuoys on a cargo ship of length than 100 meters is A. 4, B. 8, C. 6, D. 10. Correct answer is B. 8. Question. The duration of the buoyant smoke marker is A. 1 minute, B. 10 minutes, C. 15 minutes, D. 3 minutes. Correct answer is D. 3 minutes. Question. Which of the following is TLADA? SOLA's requirements for buoyant smoke signals. A. Emit smoke for a period of not less than 3 minutes when floating in calm water. B. Not emit any flame during the entire smoke emission time. C. Continue to emit smoke when submerged in water for a period of tens under 100 millimeters of water. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. Which of the following is TLADA SOLA's requirements for hand flares? A. Have a burning period of not less than 1 minute. B. Burn with a luminous intensity of not less than 15,000 CD. C. Continue to burn after having been immersed for a period of tens under 100 millimeters of water. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. The braking strength of line-throwing appliances should not be less than 2 kilonewton, B. 4 kilonewton, C. 6 kilonewton, D. 8 kilonewton. Correct answer is A. 2 kilonewton. Question. Which of the following statements is true concerning life jackets? A. Buoyant vests may be substituted for life jackets. B. Life jackets are designed to turn an unconscious person's face clear of the water. C. Life jackets must always be worn with the same side facing outwards to float properly. D. Lightly stained or faded life jackets will fall in the water and should not be used. Correct answer is B. Life jackets are designed to turn an unconscious person's face clear of the water. Question. Help position stands for A. Heat exchange lessening posture, B. Heat exchange lessening period, C. Heat exchange lessening point, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Heat exchange lessening posture. Question. Passenger vessel 240 meters and over in length should have A. 8 life buoys, B. 12 life buoys, C. 20 life buoys, D. 30 life buoys. Correct answer is D. 30 life buoys. Question. Sea anchor is used to reduce the of survival craft. A. Fuel consumption, C. The drift rate, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. A drift rate. Question. Body loses its heat times faster when immersed in cold water. A. 10, B. 26, C. 20, D. 36. Correct answer is B. 26. Question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the use of an immersion suit do not correspond to present regulation? The suit is A. It is provided with arrangements to minimize or reduce free air in the legs of the suit. B. It can be unpacked and donned without assistance within 2 minutes. C. It is sufficient built-in buoyancy to avoid the use of a life jacket. Correct answer is C. It is sufficient built-in buoyancy to avoid the use of a life jacket. Question. Match the term TPA with most suitable answers given below. A. Davit launch. B. Whistle. C. Protection against cold. D. The abandon ship. Correct answer is C. Protection against cold. Question. The duration of hand flares is A. 1 minute. B. 10 minutes. C. 15 minutes. D. 30 minutes. Correct answer is A. 1 minute. Question. Which of the following statements concerning immersion suits is false? A. They should worn while working on deck if the possibility of being washed overboard. B. The suit is received from the manufacturer in a bag intended to be used for storage of the suit on board ship. C. During the annual maintenance, the front zipper should be lubricated according to manufacturer's recommendation. D. A puncture in a suit will destroy the protective qualities against hypothermia. Correct answer is A. They should worn while working on deck if the possibility of being washed overboard. Question. Radar reflector is provided in A. Lifeboat. B. Rescue boat. C. Life raft. D. Lifeboat and life raft. Correct answer is D. Lifeboat and life raft. Question. Safe lifting signal, arm raised above the horizontal and thumbs up. A. Do not hoist, not ready. B. Hoist ready. C. Good night. D. Goodbye. Correct answer is B. Hoist ready. Question. The minimum length of a rescue boat is A. 3.8 meters. B. 8.5 meters. C. 5 meters. D. 7.3 meters. Correct answer is A. 3.8 meters. Question. The minimum length of a lifeboat. A. 3.8 meters. B. 8.5 meters. C. 5 meters. D. 7.3 meters. Correct answer is D. 7.3 meters. Question. Battery used for EPIRB have very long shelf life of A. 2 years or more. B. 3 years or more. C. 5 years or more. D. 8 years or more. Correct answer is C. 5 years or more. Question. Cargo vessel 200 meters and over in length should have A. 8 life buoys. B. 12 life buoys. C. 10 life buoys. D. 14 life buoys. Correct answer is D. 14 life buoys. Question. Match the term life jacket with most suitable answers given below. A. Davit launch. B. Whistle and SI light. C. Protection against cold. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is B. The whistle and SI light. Question. Searchlight provided on the survival craft should be capable of working for a total period of A. 3 hours. B. 6 hours. C. 8 hours. D. 10 hours. Correct answer is B. 6 hours. Question. The searchlight of a survival craft must be capable of operating 3 hours continuously or 6 hours intermittently if operated in cycles. A. 5 minutes on and 10 minutes off. B. 10 minutes on and 5 minutes off. C. 15 minutes on and 5 minutes off. D. 15 minutes on and 10 minutes off. Correct answer is C. 15 minutes on and 5 minutes off. Question. The number 2 lifeboat on a tanker would be found A. On the port side. B. On the starboard side. C. Aft of number 1 lifeboat port side. D. Aft of number 1 lifeboat starboard side. Correct answer is A. On the port side. Question. The number 2 lifeboat on a tanker would be A. Abaft number 1 lifeboat port side. B. Forwardmost on the port side. C. Abaft number 1 lifeboat starboard side. D. Forwardmost on the starboard side. Correct answer is B. Forwardmost on the port side. Question. Safe lifting signal arms extended horizontally, fingers clenched and thumbs down. A. Do not hoist, not ready. B. Hoist ready. C. Good night. D. Goodbye. Correct answer is A. Do not hoist, not ready. Question. An emergency sea anchor may be constructed by using A. A boat bucket. B. An airtan filled with water. C. Oar and canvas weighted down. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. Life jackets have the following attached to it. A. Whistle and retro-reflective tape. B. SI light and whistle. C. SI light, whistle and retro-reflective tape. D. SI light and retro-reflective tape. Correct answer is C. SI light, whistle and retro-reflective tape. Question. Anti-exposure suit shall permit the person wearing it to A. Climb up and down a vertical ladder of at least 5 meters in length. B. A jump from height of not less than 4.5 meters into the water. C. Swim through the water at least 25 m and onboard a survival craft. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. SARTs are designed to work with dash radar. A. S-band. B. Or X-band. C. Both S-band and X-band. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. X-band. Question. The drinking water provided in packets in all survival crafts has a shelf life of A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 5 years. Correct answer is D. 5 years. Question. Which statement about immersion suit is true? A. Not all models will automatically turn an unconscious person face up in the water. B. The immersion suit reduces the rate of body cooling and increases the survival time in cold water to hours or days. C. Immersion suit is flameproof and provides protection to a wearer swimming in burning oil. D. It provides full range of body movement and is suitable for routine wear on deck. Correct answer is B. The immersion suit reduces the rate of body cooling and increases the survival time in cold water to hours or days. Question. Safe lifting signal, arm raised above the horizontal and thumbs up. A. Do not hoist, not ready. B. Hoist ready. C. Good night. D. Goodbye. Correct answer is B. Hoist ready. Question. All MODU personnel should be familiar with A. Boarding and operating procedures. B. Maintenance schedule. C. The navigational systems. D. The fuel consumption rates. Correct answer is A. Boarding and operating procedures. Question. The capacity of lithium battery should be enough to last for dash when activated. A. 2 hours. B. 4 hours. C. 24 hours. D. 48 hours. Correct answer is D. 48 hours. Question. The number of lifebuoys in a passenger vessel more than 180 meter, but less than 240 meter. A. 18. B. 24. C. 30. D. 12. Correct answer is B. 24. Question. In normal conditions, in interior spaces the minimum sound pressure levels for broadcasting emergency announcements shall be A. 50 decibel. B. 100 decibel. C. 75 decibel. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. 75 decibel. Question. In normal conditions, in exterior spaces the minimum sound pressure levels for broadcasting emergency announcements shall be A. 50 decibel. B. 100 decibel. C. 75 decibel. D. 80 decibel. Correct answer is D. 80 decibel. Question. Seasickness is caused by rolling or rocking motions which affect the fluids in the A. Stomach. B. Lower intestine. C. Inner ear. D. Bladder. Correct answer is C. Inner ear. Question. Luminous intensity of hand flares should not be less than A. 15,000 candela. B. 20,000 candela. C. 25,000 candela. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. 15,000 candela. Question. The marine evacuation system shall be capable of transfer of persons from ship within A. 5 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. B. 10 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. C. 20 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. D. 30 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. Correct answer is D. 30 minutes in the case of a passenger ship. Question. The maximum length of a rescue boat. A. 7.3 meter. B. 8.5 meter. C. 3.8 meter. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. 8.5 meter. Question. The duration of life jacket self-igniting light is A. 4 hours. B. 5 hours. C. 6 hours. D. 8 hours. Correct answer is D. 8 hours. Question. The luminous intensity of a life jacket light. A. 0.25 candela. B. 0.50 candela. C. 0.75 candela. D. 0.85 candela. Correct answer is C. 0.75 candela. Question. How many buoyant smoke signals are available in life raft? A. 4. B. 2. C. 6. D. 8. Correct answer is B. 2. Question. The quantity of water supplied to each person per day on lifeboat is A. 1 liter. B. 2 liter. C. 1.5 liter. D. 3 liter. Correct answer is D. 3 liter. Question. What is range of SART for detecting aircraft? A. 10 Newton meter. B. 20 Newton meter. C. 30 Newton meter. D. None of the above. Correct answer is D. None of the above. Question. SART lithium battery voltage. A. 2 volt. B. 4 volt. C. 5 volt. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. 5 volt. Question. The immersion suit does not allow the body temperature to drop by more than when immersed for a period of when the water temperature is between 0 and 2 degrees. A. 2 degrees, 4 hours. B. 2 degrees, 6 hours. C. 1 degrees, 4 hours. D. 1 degrees, 6 hours. Correct answer is B. 2 degrees, 6 hours. Question. Your small vessel is broken down and rolling in heavy seas. You can reduce the possibility of capsizing by A. Constantly shifting the rudder. B. Rigging a sea anchor. C. Moving all personnel forward and low. D. Moving all personnel aft. Correct answer is B. Rigging a sea anchor. Question. Which statement concerning homing signals in the GMDSS is false? A. A homing signal provides a bearing for rescue personnel to follow to the signal source. B. A homing signal is detected by the COSPAS-SARSAT satellites. C. The homing signal cannot be detected by a GPS receiver. D. The homing signal may be transmitted by equipment attached to the survival craft. Correct answer is B. A homing signal is detected by the COSPAS-SARSAT satellite. Question. Which virtual distress signal is acceptable for daylight use only? A. Handheld red flare. B. Self-contained rocket-propelled parachute red flare. C. Handheld orange smoke distress flare. D. Red aerial pyrotechnic flare. Correct answer is C. Handheld orange smoke distress flare. Question. How can a SART's effective range be mixed? A. The SART should be placed in water immediately upon activation. B. The SART should be held as high as possible. C. Switch the SART into the high power position. D. If possible, the SART should be mounted horizontally so that its signal matches that of the searching radar signal. Correct answer is B. The SART should be held as high as possible. Question. Your vessel has 3 lifeboats on each side. The outermost boat on the starboard side is designated as boat number A. 6. B. 5. 3. D. 3 starboard. Correct answer is B. 5. Question. What is the first action in case of man overboard? A. Throw a life buoy. B. Inform bridge. C. Raise alarm. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Throw a life buoy. Question. VHF EPIRB is designed to be used in which areas? A. Area A1. B. The area A1, A2. C. The area A4. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Area A1. Question. What should you do as soon as you enter a life raft? A. Drink a gallon of water. B. Take anti-sea sickness tablet. C. Use fishing tackle and fish. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is B. Take anti-sea sickness tablet. Question. As per the regulation, life savings appliances need not to have A. A bright color with reflective tape. B. Resistant to sunlight. C. The ready, accessible and easy to launch. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Resistant to sunlight. Question. Davit of rescue boats due to limit switch how much before the end? A. 10 inches. B. 2 inches. C. 1 inches. D. 15 inches. Correct answer is C. 1 inches. Question. How much is the maximum capacity of the lifeboat? A. 20 persons. B. 150 persons. C. 100 persons. D. 60 persons. Correct answer is B. 150 persons. Question. Frequency at which the SART operates. A. 5 GHz, 3 cm X band. B. 9 GHz, 3 cm X band. C. 9 GHz, 9 cm X band. D. 5 GHz, 9 cm X band. Correct answer is B. 9 GHz, 3 cm X band. Question. How much is the duration of the hand flare for the time it works? A. 60 seconds. B. 90 seconds. C. 5 seconds. D. 30 seconds. Correct answer is A. 60 seconds. Question. At what maximum list of a vessel the lifeboat are designed to be launched? A. Can be launched in calm weather only. B. 5-degree list. C. 10-degree list. D. Up to 20-degree. Correct answer is D. Up to 20-degree. Question. At what maximum trim of a vessel the lifeboats are designed to be launched? A. 15-degree. B. Calm weather. C. 10-degree. D. 30-degree. Correct answer is C. 10-degree. Question. Safety training on board to the personnel is provided as per the A. SOLAS. B. MLC. C. ISM. D. or STCW. Correct answer is A. SOLAS. Question. Hatches on the lifeboat are designed such that A. Are watertight and can be opened and closed from both sides. B. The watertight and can be opened and closed from only inside. C. Self-closing type. D. Bolted type with watertight capabilities. Correct answer is A. Watertight and can be opened and closed from both sides. Question. Good housekeeping is considered necessary for preventing accidents at sea. What is true regarding same? A. Securing tools after work is not needed as we need them next day also. B. The engine room should be locked when no one is inside. C. Wearing dirty clothes in galley or mess room should be avoided. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Wearing dirty clothes in galley or mess room should be avoided. Question. How can you indicate that your vessel is distress? A. Sounding 5 or more short and rapid blasts on the whistle. B. Continuously sounding the fog whistle. C. Displaying a large red flag. D. Displaying 3 black balls in a vertical line. Correct answer is B. Continuously sounding the fog whistle. Question. An inflatable life raft is hand-launched by dash. A. Removing the rubber packing strip. B. Pulling a cord. C. Throwing the center container overboard. D. Cutting the wire restraining bands. Correct answer is C. Throwing the center container overboard. Question. Thermal protective aids are required for what percentage of the persons a survival craft is equipped to carry? A. 10%. B. 50%. C. 75%. D. 100%. Correct answer is A. 10%. Question. Which gas is mostly used in filling the cylinder of inflatable life raft? A. Oxygen. B. CO2. C. The nitrogen. D. Carbon monoxide. Correct answer is B. CO2. Question. Regulations regarding lifeboats on board is best described by A. 2 lifeboats on each side, with each having carrying capacity of 125%. B. Lifeboat's color can be any as available. C. Engine fitted on lifeboat should be air-started. D. Lifeboats cannot be used as rescue boats. Correct answer is A. 2 lifeboats on each side, with each having carrying capacity of 125%. Question. SART works on which radar? A. S-band. B. or X-band. C. Both of these. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. X-band. Question. Which item in the lifeboat is a study material? A. Instruction on how to survive. B. C. Sickness kit. C. The bailer. D. Heliograph. Correct answer is A. Instruction on how to survive. Question. Which code regulates the training manual? A. SOLAS under Chapter Lee 2 and 3. B. COSAP. C. Local regulation. D. ISB's code. Correct answer is A. SOLAS under Chapter Lee 2 and 3. Question. How long SART operates in standby mode? A. 8 hours. B. 24 hours. C. 96 hours. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. 96 hours. Question. Which of the following is consumable? A. A food ration. B. Drinking water. C. Anti-sea sickness tablets. D. To all of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question. What should you do with your emergency position indicating radio beacon if you are in a life raft in a storm? A. Bring it inside the life raft and leave it on. B. Bring it inside the life raft and turn it off until the storm passes. C. Leave it outside the life raft and leave it on. D. Leave it outside the life raft but turn it off. Correct answer is A. Bring it inside the life raft and leave it on. Question. After abandoning ship, you should deploy the sea anchor from a life raft to A. Keep the life raft from capsizing. B. Stay in the general location. C. Navigate against the current. D. Keep personnel from getting seasick. Correct answer is B. Stay in the general location. Question. Immediately after abandoning a vessel, lookouts should be posted aboard life rafts to look for A. Survivors in the water. B. Food and water. C. Land. D. Bad weather. Correct answer is A. Survivors in the water. Question. Line throwing apparatus is provided on board for A. Sending messenger line. B. Establishing communication with nearby vessels. C. Emergency evacuation procedures. D. Mooring and towage activities. Correct answer is A. Sending messenger line. Question. What is the life-saving signal for you are seen? Assistance will be given as soon as possible. A. Green star rocket. B. Red star rocket. C. Orange smoke signal. D. Horizontal motion of a flag. Correct answer is C. Orange smoke signal. Question. Line throwing apparatus is provided on board for A. Emergency rescue operations. B. To make a connection between ship and a safe ship to pass towing line. C. Establishing communication during search and rescue missions. D. Navigational aid for signaling distress. Correct answer is B. To make a connection between ship and a safe ship to pass towing line. Question. A man aboard a vessel, signaling by raising and lowering his outstretched arms to each side, is indicating A. All is clear, it is safe to pass. B. Danger, stay away. C. A distress signal. D. All is clear, it is safe to approach. Correct answer is C. A distress signal. Question. When a helicopter is lifting personnel from an enclosed lifeboat, the other individuals in the boat should A. Enter the water in case the person being lifted slips from the sling. B. Stand on the outside of the boat to assist the person being lifted. C. Remove their life jackets to prepare for their transfer to the helicopter. D. Remain seated inside to provide body weight for stability. Correct answer is D. Remain seated inside to provide body weight for stability. Question. You are involved in an emergency landing of a helicopter on the water. You should inflate your life jacket. A. Upon entering the helicopter. B. Prior to reaching the water. C. After reaching the water but prior to exiting the helicopter. D. After exiting clear of the helicopter. Correct answer is A. Upon entering the helicopter. Question. If you hear the sound of a gas escaping from the life raft just after it has inflated, you should A. Quickly hunt for the hole before the raft deflates. B. Check the sea anchor line for a tear if the seas are rough. C. Check the painter line attachment for a tear caused by the initial opening. D. Not panic as the relief valves allow excess pressure to escape. Correct answer is D. Not panic as the relief valves allow excess pressure to escape. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more such inputs. Stay tuned for our next video.